I love doing things like this.
We felt like we won the lottery. We are so grateful. I'm Karen Croteau, and I'm the president of Boys Hope, Girls Hope of Illinois. We're serving kids who are first generation, below poverty line, but who have a burning desire to use education as a way to achieve their life goals. We do that by providing a college prep education at excellent college prep partner schools. And then we provide them housing and all sorts of resources. Those homes were built in the early 1900s, so you can imagine the efficiencies are not there. So getting new windows will make the homes a lot more energy efficient, a lot warmer for the scholars.
One of the most important things we do is help people. If we can make good things happen, you get a lot of people raising our hand in our market willing to help.
For me, I really learned the value of community and how to build that. I had all the support that I needed from either mentors, staff members, or my housemates, and so that's exactly the same type of culture that I build here. We hold each other accountable.
100% of our scholars graduate from high school and matriculate to college. And then in college, we have a 75% graduation rate. I really love that the impact is real. I love that it works. We really make this program work through partnerships. Thank you so much to Renewal by Anderson. This is amazing.